Hey everyone, in the world of tech, we're always hearing about the next big thing. But today, we're not just talking about one single gadget. We're looking at a whole team of technologies, AI, super fast connectivity, instant data processing, that aren't just an upgrade. Nope, they are literally the blueprint for a brand new technological era. So I want you to start with this question in mind. Just think about it. We've seen some absolutely incredible innovation, right? But what if everything we've experienced so far, the smartphones, the apps, the whole social media boom, what if all of that was just the prelude? Just setting the stage for a world where our physical and digital lives are about to merge in ways we're only just starting to wrap our heads around.
So here's how we're going to break this all down. First, we'll look at the fundamental shift in technology's next chapter. Then, we're going to dive deep into the intelligence explosion that is AI. After that, we'll see how our world is getting connected on a scale we've never seen before. And finally, we'll pull it all together to understand the very real future you'll actually be living in.
All right, so to really get where we're going, we first have to understand the new foundations that are being built right now. And this isn't just about faster phones or cooler laptops. It's about building what you could call a smarter planet. An environment where technology isn't just a tool we pick up and use, but an intelligent layer that's woven into everything around us.
And at the very heart of that smarter planet is a new kind of intelligence. It's not human, it's artificial. And this is, without a doubt, the most powerful technological force of our generation. Why? Because it completely changes the game for what machines can do, from driving our cars to discovering new medicines.
So, what in the world is AI really? Well, put simply, it's the science of making machines smart. For centuries, we've built tools to make us physically stronger. You can think of AI as the tool we're building right now to boost our cognitive abilities, our power to learn, to reason, and to solve really complex problems.
Now this is where we need to clear up a super common point of confusion. You hear the terms AI and machine learning, or ML, thrown around all the time, sometimes like they're the same thing. But here's the key difference. AI is the big, broad goal, right? The dream of creating intelligent machines. Machine learning is the main method we're using to get there. Instead of programming a million rules for every situation, we just teach the machine to learn from tons and tons of data.
And this isn't some far-off science fiction, It's already woven into your everyday life. Ever wonder how your streaming service just knows what movie you want to watch next? Yep, that's AI. It's the tech helping doctors spot diseases earlier in scans, it's what lets you ask your smart speaker about the weather, and it's quietly protecting your bank account from fraud 24/7. It's become the invisible engine of our modern world.
And the economic scale of this whole thing, it is just staggering. We are looking at a $2 trillion impact on the global economy just within the next decade. This is not just a trend, it's a fundamental economic revolution.
But here's the thing. For AI to be truly powerful, it needs fuel. And that fuel is data, huge amounts of it, delivered in real time. I mean, a brilliant brain is pretty useless without senses to see and hear the world, right? Well, that brings us to the second pillar of this huge transformation, the infrastructure that's connecting our world like never before.
And this is the Internet of Things, or IoT. Forget just connecting computers and phones. This is about connecting everything else. We're talking your watch, your car, the traffic lights in your city, even the soil on a farm. It's this massive, growing network of digital eyes and ears, constantly gathering data from the physical world all around us.
And all this data isn't just being collected for fun, it's being used to create environments that respond to us. In your home, it's that thermostat that saves you money by learning your routine. In a city, it's a traffic grid that automatically eases congestion. And in a factory, it's a machine that predicts it needs a repair before it actually breaks down, saving a ton of time and money. Okay, so how do all these billions of devices talk to each other instantly? That's where 5G comes in. And this isn't just a slightly faster 4G. No way. It is a completely new kind of network built for three specific things: incredible speed, almost zero delay, and the ability to handle a crazy number of connected devices all at once.
And when we say fast, we mean it. We're talking a minimum of 10 times faster than what you're probably used to with 4G. And this isn't just about downloading movies quicker. This is about enabling real-time communication between machines, which is absolutely critical for things like self-driving cars.
But sometimes, even the blink of an eye speed of 5G isn't fast enough. For decisions that have to be made in a split second, we have something called edge computing. The idea is actually pretty simple. Instead of sending data all the way to some big cloud server and waiting for an answer, you do the thinking right there on the device itself. It's like giving each device its own little reflex brain.
So,
Let's recap. We have the intelligence of AI, we have the senses of IoT, and we have the super-fast nervous system of 5G and edge computing. Now let's put them all together. Because, on their own, they're powerful. But when they combine, they create something else entirely. What they create is this incredibly powerful feedback loop. You can almost think of it like a biological system. The IoT sensors are the senses, gathering all the data. 5G is the nervous system, zapping that data around instantly. Edge computing provides the reflexes for those split-second actions. And AI is the brain, analyzing everything to make smarter decisions over time. Each part just makes the others that much more powerful.
And look, this isn't just some cool theory. This synergy is already revolutionizing entire industries. We're talking about surgeons operating on patients from miles away over 5G, fleets of self-driving cars navigating busy city streets, and truly immersive virtual reality experiences streamed right to your headset with no clunky console needed.
So, the most important thing to remember is this. For decades, our main focus was on connecting people to people. Now, we're building a world where the environment itself is connected, intelligent, and can respond to our needs instantly and automatically.
The foundational pieces aren't just on the horizon, they are here, and they're getting more powerful by the day. We are being handed the most powerful toolkit in human history. So the real question isn't what this technology can do anymore, it's what will we, all of us, choose to do with it.